नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, owners of Sarvanyapeta, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanedar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers all over the world through Nityananda TV, Ara TV, Nakshatra TV, Janata TV, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha all over the world on this very auspicious Nityananda Sangha Day, the Mission Day. Cities sitting with us all over the world: Seattle Adinam, Ohio Adinam, Guadalupe Adinam, Toronto Adinam, Kuala Lumpur Adinam, Rajapalayam Adinam, Houston Adinam, St. Louis Adinam, Hyderabad Gupta Kashi, Singapore Adinam, and lot more cities and Adinams. I welcome all of you with my love and respects on this very day, actually on 1978. So you all need to be reminded, as per the English calendar, today is the birthday we in our Sangha celebrate as per the Vedic calendar on the month and nakshatra. Formally, organization was inaugurated on 2003 January 1st on this very day, with this 1st January 2016. Organization, the mission is completed 13 years, but the Sangha itself has completed 38 years. But the Sangha itself has completed 38 years. One beauty with our Sangha, we don't have time to look back. We are so busy looking forward, we have no time to look back. And the secret of our Sangha and success of the Sangha is we put all our energy in building the future, not fighting with the past. We go on building the future. Don't care about the people who demolish the past. We don't spend time in fighting with the past. We don't waste our time in fighting with the past. We put all our energy in creating the future. we put all our energy in creating the future. That is the secret of success. That is the secret of our Sangha. We don't have time to hate the people who hate us because we are too busy in loving the people who love us. When we are building the future, when somebody intervenes only, we move them aside so that we can continue with our life. Otherwise, we don't go and pick any fight with anybody. Because we don't go and pick any fight with anybody picks fight with us, we always win. We are always winning because we don't go and pick. When somebody picks, we make them pickle. Sangha itself, 38 years over, 39th year starting. As per the English calendar, an organization, 13 years completed, 14th year starting. As I said, we don't have time to look back. Even today, I am not going to look back. I am only going to look forward. What we are going to do, I am going to declare. I am not going to list out what we have done. This year, Sarvajñapita will start functioning. Understand, this year, Sarvajñapita will start functioning in full-fledged way. This year, I'll be physically doing world tour. I'll start going around the world again this year, giving satsangs, programs, classes, sessions, initiations. Without giving a reason or completing this year, whole year, I am going to make myself available for morning satsang. My health is ready, and I am ready. Health and me, both are ready. At the most, if I am traveling for those reasons, 11 days maximum. Other than that 11 days, maximum, this whole year, I'll be available for the morning satsang. I'll continue to expand on Upanishads. I'll resume Upanishads through the eyes and silence of Dakshinamurti. Mahadeva will be commenting on Upanishads. Don't worry about this small calf. Calf cannot starve the calves waiting for the Upanishad milk. I think if I list out the things we are going to make it happen this year, it will be long, good things. On this auspicious Nityananda Sangha Day, the Mission Day, and English calendar New Year, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with all the auspiciousness, with all the mangalatva, integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. My blessings, let this year bring all the auspiciousness in everyone's life, in all our lives. Annamandir of Bangalore Adinam is offering 108 Nivedyams. I accept the offerings, and today the Alankara is Madurai Adina Kartarilai Alankaram. The Alankara of taking the responsibility of Madurai Adinam. From this year, we will start operating the responsibilities. And delivering what we need to deliver to the world through the Madurai Adinam. Today also we will be having Samaya Diksha. As a Sangha, as a mission, we have done beyond our imagination or anybody's imagination within the short period, given the minimal resources and the maximum opposition. The minimal resources and maximum opposition. The energy, resources we had made us work intensely. Enmity we faced made us strong. As a Sangha, as an organization, we have given to the world more than what we received. And let's resolve to give more and more to the world. Only by giving, contributing, we will be relevant. Only by giving and contributing, we will continue to remain relevant to society. Anything which is relevant to society only will be kept alive. We will contribute so much, not only we will be relevant, we will become a necessity for the humanity. Not only we will continue to keep ourselves relevant, we will make ourselves as a necessity to the world, to the humanity. That's the only way we can keep ourselves alive, flourishing. Let's enrich the world continuously. That is the only way we can keep ourselves enriched. So have this as my message on Nityananda Sangha Day. Let us go on contributing. That's the only way we will keep ourselves relevant and necessity for humanity. We do have a lot of offerings, publications to the world, but we will share all that on day after tomorrow, January 3rd, on the Avatar Day. Today I came to Satsang just to give blessings on the Sangha Day and blessings on New Year as per English calendar. So with this, I bless you all. Let all of us radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.